Hey everybody, Mr. Amadon here. Let's change gears from talking about the three phases of matter to phase change. What is phase change? Okay, so when we're changing the states of matter, we're going to talk about water because we all know what water is. So water is a substance that we know can be found in three states. That's ice, the solid, liquid water, or water vapor, or we call it gas. All right, so we know through experience that water can change from state to state. So let's talk about the first phase, melting. We're going from a solid to a liquid. So the change from a solid state to a liquid state, the temperature at which a solid melts, right, it's called its melting point. Think of an ice cube. It takes a certain temperature in order to melt that ice cube. Okay? So if you heat up a solid, the particles begin to move really fast. They move faster and they begin to move over and around each other, and they break attraction, and now they're released and they're free. Okay, think back to what the liquid particles looked like in the last video. Chocolate melting, right? Heat up the chocolate, it's going to melt. Freezing from liquid to solid. Next phase. Phase change. The temperature at which a liquid freezes is referred to its freezing point. Think of water. Well, you have to get water at a certain temperature in order for it to freeze. So freezing is the reverse of melting. So particles are cooled, their movement slows down, resulting in increased attraction among particles. Okay, we've got a liquid, cool it down, turns into a solid. We all know the drill. Vaporization. This is the phase change from liquid to gas. So think of a boiling pot on the stove. Water vapor or steam is produced. So we call this vaporization. So that boiling causes the liquid water to vaporize. Different types of liquids have different boiling points. For example, water has a boiling point of 212 degrees Fahrenheit, whereas maybe rubbing alcohol has a different boiling point. So as liquid heats up, particles move so fast that they break away from other particles, turning a liquid into a gas. Right? They're released into the air. There's no control on it. So this is vaporization, what it looks like. Boiling water, vapor rises. Condensation. This phase changes from gas to liquid. So condensation is the change from a gas state to a liquid state. The temperature where gas condenses is called its condensation point. As vapor cools, its particles begin to slow down. Condensation takes place when the particles slow down so much that they can't overcome the attraction of the other particles around them. So they bind up, they lump together. So after you take a hot shower, the water vapor lands on the cool windows and mirrors. Okay? Those cold surfaces slow down particle movement, turning the water vapor into a liquid. It's that slowing down of those particles. And then you're left with this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Take care.